Over the past 3 months, I've been tasked with getting our clients to use social media for their business, and I think I figured out the biggest hack to make infinite social media content. Let's get into the video. How I make 63 pieces of content in one day. This revolves around our FAQ video script. And this FAQ video script is a list of 7 questions that you probably get from homeowners and prospects so often. What does your kitchen remodeling service include? What are factors that drive the price up or down? How long does it take to complete? Things like that you answer all the time and you know it like the back of your hand. Let's imagine that you have 3 services. You're doing kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling, and basement remodeling. So theoretically, 7 times 3, that's only 21 videos. The way that this FAQ sheet is structured, you can probably break up each question 3 times, 1 per price range, which is going to give you basically 3 times the amount of content that you would normally have. So I have my phone here. Can I set this up like a tripod? I think I can. So we have the phone set up on the tripod. I actually have Delight in Designs, one of our clients from Michigan. I have their website up. We're gonna be doing kitchen remodeling for this, I think. The first question is, if someone hires you for blank service, what does that include? So we're gonna break this up. What if somebody hires us for a base kitchen remodel? One of the questions we hear a lot is what's included in our basic kitchen remodel? Well, here at Delight in Designs, the things that come with that are going to be new countertops, new cabinetry, repainting, as well as new hardwood floors as well. And that's it. And now we're gonna do the exact same thing again for the average kitchen remodel. So we're looking through here, you're looking at some custom works, some countertops, new quartz and granite countertops, hardware, cool. Here's what's included in our average kitchen remodel at Delight in Designs. We offer countertops that are either quartz or granite, repainting, semi-custom cabinetry, new plumbing and lighting features, as well as new hardwood floors. And then we do the exact same thing for the high-end remodel. At Delight in Designs, we go all out when it comes to our high-end kitchen remodel. This includes a new kitchen reconfiguration, new paint, brand new countertops with the finest finishes, new flooring, high-end light fixtures, backsplash, as well as fully customizable cabinetry. And that's it. So we're going to answer every single FAQ question, break it down by service, and then we're going to break it down by price. And again, all of this can literally be done in one day. Now that we have our 63 videos, I'm going to upload them one day after the next for basically 2 months. And the way that this actually creates infinite content is because if we're posting video 1 on January 1st, we're not gonna get till video 63 until give or take March 3rd. And because of that, you've been growing your brand and your social media over the past 2 months. You have a whole new group of followers that never saw the first video. So on March 4th, we're just gonna recycle the deck and upload that first video again and do the exact same thing, which basically means you're going to post the exact same video 6 different times in 2023. That's totally okay because you have a brand new audience that never saw it the first time, and odds are your current social media following has seen too much content to forget to know that they watched it the first time, or because every single social media channel only shows your stuff to 50 to 60% of your audience, they might have missed it entirely. And that is how you can create 63 pieces of social media content in one day and be good for years. And as a bonus, all your caption needs to be is just the question that you answered. So now that you know how to make content, watch this video to learn how each social media platform is working in 2023 so you know which one to post it on.